The study guide is set up in 8 different quizzes. What I want you to do is I want you to try to do each one of those quizzes and then circle the numbers that you weren't able to do. And then we'll go over each one quiz at each time. Today we're going to do quiz 1. Okay, quiz 1 is addition and subtraction using the different, whether you do inside the parentheses, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so go ahead and try to do the first 4 in quiz 1, please. All right, let's do them together. Number 1 is 18 minus 5 times 2 plus 3, and what does it equal? Okay, now what you have to do first thing you do is you do the inside the parentheses. So 2 plus 3 is 5. All right, everybody got that? Now, second thing you do is the multiplication or the division. So you do 5 times 5, and that equals 25. Now we do the addition or subtraction. We have 18 minus 25, so our answer is -7. Most people don't get that first. Most people get 65. All right, let's go to the second one. Again, first thing we do is inside the parentheses. Go ahead and do it yourself. So, inside the parentheses, we have 10 minus 6 is 4. Then, we have 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Now, we have 24 divided by 4. We get 6. Get it? All right, now let's go to the third one. Again, first thing you do is what's inside the parentheses. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then we do the multiplication. 2 times 1, we have 2. 3 times 2, we have 6. Then we have 2 plus 6, so the answer is 8. Okay, we have one more in quiz 1. That's just division. We have 468 divided by 18. When you do division, separate these into columns. Remember, you're going to deal with each column separately. Does 18 go into 4? No. Does 18 go into 46? Yes. 18 goes into 46. Oh, gosh, I don't remember. Oh, you know what? When you take this test, there's 2 ways to take it. You can take it on paper or a computer. If you take it by computer, here's the secret. If you take it by computer, you can make a multiplication chart before you take the test. You can't bring it in with you, but when you go into the test, you can sit down and you can do an actual multiplication chart. Go ahead and do that. Make the multiplication chart. Okay? At the end of these lessons, you will see a thing that calls a cram sheet. On the very top of that has a multiplication chart. Go ahead and use that when you're practicing, but be sure you can make it yourself. So 46 into 18, 18 to 46, it goes 2 times. Nope. Yeah, 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 is 36. You subtract it. Okay, there you come up with 10. This 10 is less than 18, so I need more. Come down with this 8. Now, how many times does 18 go into 108? If I have a multiplication chart, I can see there's 2 times where 8 times something ends with an 8. There's 1, that's not enough. The other one is 6. Let's start at 6. 6 times 8 is 48. 6, here's a 4. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So the answer is 26. You know what? This test is not difficult. There are no remainders. Remember, this test, they want to find out what you do know. They don't want to find out what you don't know. So, check that out. On page 5 of the study guide, you'll see where it says quiz 1. It's going to remind you and give you some extra problems to study. Okay, study that and then come back to the next one.